Okay, guys, so this lesson's really easy, but you know, it is always good to remember how to get your common denominator and different stuff like that. So I'm not saying that you guys don't remember how to do that. I'm just saying that in case you feel like, am I doing this right? Then we'll do it together. Okay, besides, I do want to mention something about this topic because this is really cool. The topic today is about shopping. Okay, we're not going to read through the whole thing, but I do want you to see the 3-point test, okay? I know that I love shopping. I know that Sadi loves shopping. I don't know, Jose. I don't know. I haven't seen that you love shopping, but I could be wrong. Maybe you love it and you just don't tell us. But look, here's the thing with shopping. We just have to be careful with our money. So, I really like what they said about there's a 3-point test when you're going to go buy something. It doesn't matter what you're going to buy. The 3-point test is, number 1, is this an item that you need or want? Okay. They never say that you can't buy what you want. Okay, so you just have to be careful. I mean, we can buy some stuff that we want. And some stuff that we need is stuff that we want. Okay, we just have to be controlled about it. Number 2, is the item offered at a price you are willing to pay and able to pay? That's why I wanted to even make this video, because that is good wisdom right there, you guys. Remember this, just because you have it in your cartera, in your wallet, doesn't mean you're able to pay it. Okay, so like let's say that you have 2,000 lemps. You get to a store and you see some things that you want and it all adds up to equal 1,800 lemps. And you think, well, see, I have the money. If I have the money, I can do it, right? Be careful. What other things is that money supposed to be dedicated to? Your rent, your lights, your food, different stuff like that. So just because you have the money in your wallet right then doesn't mean that you have the ability to pay for something. That's what you got to be careful of, especially now because you guys are getting older. You're going to have to become more responsible with your money because your money now isn't going to just be to play or like if you have it, you can use it. No, you're going to need it. Okay, so you got to be careful with that. And number 3, the item is available from a reliable source. Okay, so it's not like super cheap and going to break after one day, or you buy it online and you never know if you're actually going to get it. Okay, but then the questions are a little weird. But it makes sense. It's all about shopping. Here we go. Look at model problem number 1. Angel Moore was put in charge of buying the sandwich meats for the sophomore spring fling, etc., etc., etc. She bought pounds of turkey, pounds of this, blah, blah, blah. Look at letter A. How many pounds of meat did she buy? Okay, so you just have to add them up. 7 3/8, 3 2/3, 3 3/4. You find your common denominator of 8, 3, and 4. Your common denominator is going to be 24. Okay, that's the greatest common factor between those 3. 8 into 24 is 3 times, so this is 9. 3 into 24 is 8 times, so 2 times 8 is 16. 4 into 24 is 6, so 3 times 6 is 18. Remember that? Like this. 8 times 3 is 24, so 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24, so 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 3 is 24, so 4 times 6 is 24, so 3 times 6 is 18. Then you add it up. 9 plus 16 is 25, plus 18 is 43 over 24. This is 10, this is 13. Okay, but 24 and a 43 can go one time with 19 left over, right? This into this is one time, so that's going to become 14 with 19 left over 24. So that's how many pounds. Okay, you remember how to do that, right? 24 into 43 is one time with 19 as your remainder. Then you add that to the 13. Okay? Then it says how many pounds of meat, okay, how many pounds of meat did she buy? What was the cost of the sliced turkey? Well, she bought 7 3/8 of turkey times $3.99. So I'm going to go 8 times 7 is 56 plus 3 is 59 over 8 times $3.99. And you're going to go this times this divided by 8, right? So that's like this. So your answer is going to be $29.43. Okay, a lot of fraction review on that one. So if you don't remember, just ask me. I'm not gonna be like, oh my word, how do you not remember that? We haven't done it in years, okay? So that's your fraction review for the day. Look at model problem number 2. How many pounds of turkey did Angel buy? How many more pounds of turkey did Angel buy than pounds of roast beef? Another good review, when you see how many more of something, you subtract. So she bought 7 3/8 of turkey, and she bought 3 2/3 of roast beef. Common denominator is 24 again. 8 times 3 is 24, so 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24, so 2 times 8 is 16. Woohoo! You can't do 9 minus 16, so you have to borrow over here. This is 6. You add your denominator. 24 plus 9, you always add your denominator because you're adding a 1. 1 is 24 over 24. So 9 plus 24 is going to be 33 over 24 minus 16 over 24. So that's going to be 33 minus 16 is 17 over 24. 6 minus 3 is 3. And if you're like, Michelle, go, why in the world are you going so fast? Because I don't know if you need the review or not, so I don't want to waste your time. So if you need any more help, just let me know. I won't make fun of you, I promise, because it's review from a long, long time ago. Okay? Your answer to number 1 should be 16 7/8. 16 7/8. Answer number 5, 1 1/8. Answer number 9, $14.96. And other than that, you can ask me for help on what you need. Okay? Bye, guys. Have a good day.